Welcome to Pro Plumbing and Septic. Today we're answering one of the most common questions our customers ask. How long does it take for a hot water heater to heat up after installation? After your new water heater is installed, you might be eager to enjoy some of that hot water. But depending on your system, you may have to wait a bit before it's ready. Electric water heaters usually take about an hour to provide hot water after installation. Gas water heaters heat up a bit faster, often ready in 30 to 40 minutes. If you have a tankless water heater, you can expect almost instant hot water once the system is up and running, with just a short initial wait. The size of your tank, the power source, and the temperature of the incoming water all affect how long it takes for a hot water heater to heat up. A quality installation makes all the difference in getting reliable hot water. Our expert technicians ensure your system is set up for safety and efficiency. Still waiting too long for hot water? It could be a sign that your heater needs service or repair. Don't ignore ongoing delays. Give us a call. For water heater installation, repair, or maintenance, trust the pros. Pro Plumbing and Septic will keep your hot water running smoothly. Ready for hot water you can count on? Reach out to Pro Plumbing and Septic today or visit us at drainproplumbing.net to schedule your service. Thanks for watching. For more details, be sure to read our full blog linked in the description below.